Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open YouTube and sign in, then go straight to the comment you want translated. You tap the three-dot menu beside that comment because that menu holds the translation action. Once you choose Translate, YouTube will auto-detect the original language and show a translation to your current app or account language. Make sure you're viewing the video in the app or desktop. Mobile and desktop show the same translate control, so start here to get an instant result. If the translation target isn't the language you want, change YouTube's or Google account language so future translates match. You go to Settings General Language in the YouTube app or to your Google accounts data and personalization language on desktop. Update it to the language you prefer. Once done, Translate uses that target language. If you use a browser, adjust Accept Language in Settings or install a Translate extension to force a specific target, because the browser language often controls result selection. After changing language settings, refresh the video page or restart the app so the new target language takes effect. Then retry Translate on the comment. If the Translate option is missing, copy the comment text and paste it into Translate. Google.com or use a browser extension to force the desired target. This is a reliable fallback. If problems continue, update YouTube, clear app cache, and verify your Google account language again. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves mismatched or absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.